In this video, we're going to go through a number of the apps and integrations inside the Builderall platform. Hey there my awesome fellow entrepreneurs. In this video, we're going to go over the various apps and integrations that you can use inside your Builderall account. We're not going to go over every single one, we're just going to go over the ones which I feel are going to be most relevant to you. So we're going to start off at the top with the browser notifications. And if you don't know what the browser notifications are, they're basically when you visit a website, a little pop-up comes up in your browser and says, this site wishes to send you notifications, do you wish to accept? And you can accept or not, and if you do accept, you're going to get pop-up notifications in the bottom usually the bottom right hand side of your screen. In Builderall, there's another way you can use them. You can actually integrate them into buttons, so you can say, click here to receive browser notifications. You click on the button and then they're added to your browser notification list. So we come into browser notifications now. We're going to create a new campaign. We're going to call it notifications. We're going to put the website URL in, which is, grab the URL, put that in the website URL. We can also set it to redirect somewhere after they've subscribed. Choose the size, the title text, invite text, and we can put an image on there as well. So let's just put an image of Builderall on there. And that's how it's going to pop up when someone loads the page. So we click edit, we get all the options that we've just done. So the code is what you're going to want to put in on your site. So if you want it to pop up on page load, you grab the script here, you come into your site and you open up the page and paste it in the head scripts here and then save. So if you want it to pop up by event, so for example, clicking on a button, you copy this into the head section of your site like we just did, and then you copy this into the place where you want your pop-up. Right click and then action. You can come to previous menu and you can go push notifications here, and that's where your script goes right here. So here we can view the subscribers that have signed up, and here is where we can send out push notifications to the people who have subscribed. So that's a very simple one. Now if we come here and click to load the website, there we go, we can see that our desktop notifications has popped up, and if I click enable notifications, close this window that said success, I'm going to be subscribed, and then when I send a push notification out here, it's going to pop up just in the right here. So the next tool that we're going to do is the SEO on-page report tool. Now this is really cool if you're trying to get your page ranked in the search engines. So if we come to the sales page and say we use headline as the keyword, we're going to paste headline in there, and then we're going to copy the URL into there and send. So it's going to analyze the page and it's going to show all your SEO statistics here. So it isn't in the title or the URL or the meta description. We have it in the heading, heading 2, heading 4, and 3 times in the body. So it shows you a load of SEO tips for your page in critical factors, high relevance factors, and it gives you a detailed description of how you can improve it as well. So you can improve it here, turn it up to an A+ grade, and it will have a much better chance of ranking in the search engines. So the next one we're going to do is click map, and this is a heat map for your site. It's a simple code that you put into your website and it shows where people are clicking. So it shows which buttons and which links are getting the most clicks. So if we click add website, we can call it test map, grab the URL again, and you can leave that as it is. So now we've added it, we can get the code, copy the code onto the head page of your website just like before, and these scripts can run alongside each other, so notice I'm not disabling the other one, not deleting the other one. Save, and then I'm going to come on the live site, click, 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 click. Just going to click all over the place. Then close, and now you can see where I've clicked live on the site. Literally clicking no and then clicking the button, and all the clicks that I've made instantly. So it's really cool for tracking where people have clicked on your site, where people aren't looking and people aren't clicking. Now the next tool is the chat review tool. And the chat review tool is a replacement for the Facebook comments and Disqus, if you know what that is. It's basically where they have the comments at the bottom of a blog or the bottom of a website. And the brilliant thing about the chat with Builderall is that the SEO juice, for lack of a better word, actually flows into your website and into your domain. When people leave comments on a Disqus comment box or a Facebook comment box, all of that SEO juice goes to Facebook or Disqus. But with the self-hosted chat review on Builderall, all of that SEO juice flows into your website, into your domain, making it more SEO friendly. So to add that, you come and click My Site Reviews, New Review, call it Test Review, Review Description, Status active, enable reviews active, and apparently I have to enter 80 characters. So there we go. So all we need now is this 5-digit code right here. We can put it in an HTML box, but there's an app specifically in the site builder to have it built in. If you want to put it on an external website for whatever reason, the code is right there. But if we come into the site builder, come into apps, and then into review, we can get the review tool, and put the ID right here and select English and hit confirm. And then we have the comment box right here. Can make it bigger, and on a live site we can simply type in what we want to type in, add an image, and then send. You can use the same chat box for many pages, or you can have a separate chat box for each page of your website or each page of your blog. So we've covered a fair few of the apps today. I don't want to overwhelm you with too many apps at once, so we're going to leave it there for today, and tomorrow we're going to jump back in with even more apps that you can integrate into your website. I hope you enjoyed this video and found value in the tools. I'll see you in the next one.